Hello folks, today I'm going to discuss and present a little tutorial on how to convert files for RPG Maker NV in the possible event then that you buy a DLC but you are met with a situation in which you are not given both the file formats for the sound that RPG Maker requires. If it is the first tutorial that you see, I will guide you as shortly as possible through the process. Now RPG Maker requires both .ogg files and an M4A file of the same name in order for your songs to actually play in the game. And in order to do that, you need to have both those files. There will be some DLCs, for example this one that I bought recently, and in some cases you will be presented with only one of the extensions. Now for example, I had medieval music pack, this one, and it gives you an MP3 version, which is cool because you can actually listen to the songs, but unfortunately it gives you only the OGG version. Now we shouldn't worry about this because um, having the M4A version isn't that hard to make. First of all, let's open the file and we'll see here the pieces of music that I have bought. In order to convert them, you need to find a online converter, which I usually go for convert to M4A because I've been using this site for a while. I think this one is. Nope. Oh, come on, really. Okay, this one. So when you get to this site, which I've been using for a while, you choose convert to M4A or convert to OGG in case you have the others. Not for now. Now this site has a limitation. It won't allow you to upload more than 10 videos at once if you're a free user, and you can't upload more than 100 megabytes. So these ones together are 43 megabytes, so no worries, and 20 items. So basically all you need to do is to select 10, you drag and drop them here, wait them to upload, which I've done also on my laptop, which is also running at the same time. I don't need to be doing this on my computer because I will be working on my video game on my laptop, and if I need it on the computer I will transfer it here. So now that I also clicked convert, it will take a little while, and once done you can choose to download all files as a zip. It will give them as an archive. The archive will be it should appear in your downloads file sooner or later. It will take probably a while. 200 megabytes, what the fuck. Oh yes, I forgot, the M4A version actually takes quite a lot of space. Now once you have done this, you have the download all files that worked. You go back by this and you have this option again. You take the other 10 videos, you drag and drop them here, do the same, and download the other one in here. Once you have done that, I'm not going to cover this necessarily, you pick both of them, both of the zip files, you go here to the corresponding DLC, it should be a path something like this. You right click, you create a folder and you call it M4A, or OGG, for future reference. You put the two files in here, the archives, and then you extract them here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this because this is not something to be used. Okay, once you do that, you go to your game and use the upload function. Now since this DLC has only BGMs, you pick BGM from here, select DLC, go to the files here, let's see, medieval, Where were you? Medieval music pack. Okay, now you should have the M4A version as well, and you select them all. Now I have this because I run Steam in well, at the same time on my laptop and on my computer as well. So you have these, you select them, and you add open. Now before you do that, you can actually delete the zips, okay, because they won't be serving you any role, okay. And after you delete the zips, you select all of the M4As and simply click open. You do the same with the OGG files, probably you have already done that, and then you can go, oh come on, really, when you run a software at the same time on two different devices, Steam will open something that's called a stream mode, and it can get a bit fussy because my laptop has a different resolution. It's probably because of that. You go to sound test, and well, you go to a file and see how your songs are named, right? Let's see, battle. Okay, so it should be among the first, and we have battle. Okay, and I know because I've looked at the names, this one is one of the songs, so it actually plays. If it doesn't play, it's most likely because you haven't done the steps accordingly, so you should try again. Now hopefully this helps, and have a nice day.